and gentlemen, we move on to our last round of the announcement of Scotch Order of Merit. I invite Ms. B. Rajakumari, Superintendent of Police, Vizianagaram District Police. Her safety is our responsibility.
Final words अभी final words मिलेंगे कुछ आ रहा है
Swachh Bharat, Water Supply and Sanitation Department, District Vizianagaram.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Thank you very much for announcing this Scotch semi-finals award.
Congratulations to you and the entire team, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Ms. Ananya Chakrabarti, Chairperson, West Bengal Commission for Protection of Child Rights for response to COVID.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations to you once again for Sahoj Path. This is the second
Thank
project.
you. Thank you.
I now move on to invite Dr. Ruchi Barola, Scientist and Noodle Officer from Wildlife Institute of India, Planning and Management of Aquatic Species Conservation. Bhumi Rashi Portal, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Mr. Amit Kumar Ghosh, Joint Secretary. Do we have Mr. Ghosh with us? Mr. Tej Pratap Singh, Deputy Commissioner Office, Barnala, Punjab, for Ujjwal Sitare, a school for the underprivileged. Integrated farming system and value addition under rainfed area development. Mr. Kumar Sahu, Project Director, Directorate of Watershed Development, Odisha. I now invite Mr. D.D. Pant, Chief Development Officer from Watershed Management Directorate, Bageshwar, livelihood generation by key production.
Good evening. First of all, let me thank Scotch Group for the recognition to the efforts of the poor farmers of Bageshwar district. While we started this, there was urgent need of such a crop which is not damaged by wild animals. Because in Uttarakhand, this is a very big problem. Due to this problem, farmers are leaving their land barren, and even there is a migration.
I think due to the communication problem we lost in there, but yes, a good development and a great achievement. Mr. A. Anbarasu, Development Commissioner and Chairman, Pondicherry Market Committee for ENAM. Mr. Ramasamy Srinivasan, Member Secretary, Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology. We have Pondicherry with us. Please unmute yourself. You're still muted. Well, it's good to see you there. Now invite Directorate of Soil Conservation and Watershed Development.
Thank you, sir.
Check dam at Udaipur. Mr. Kumuda Patra, Project Director. Jayati Singh, Chief Executive Officer, Gwalior Smart City Development Corporation Limited, for role of Integrated Command and Control Center during COVID. Mr. Umesh D, Chief Officer, Town Municipal Council, Hosadurga, Swachh Bharat Mission and Solid Waste Management.
Good evening, sir. I hope audible to all panel members.
Yes,
First of all, I would like to thank for Kaj Group and all panel members for showcase our project. So this is one of the project is dream project of the Honorable Prime Minister. So I would like to thanks for recognizing our project. So it will keep our energy to increase the work towards work. So I thankful to all. Thank you very much, sir.
congratulations. Dr. Lakshmi Priya, Deputy Commissioner from Bongaigaon, Project Mili Juli. Mr. B. Srinivas, Deputy Commissioner from Bathinda, Project PSR LM. Once again, Mr. Tej Pratap Singh, Deputy Commissioner, Barnala, response to COVID. Mr. Srinivas, Bathinda, please go ahead. Please unmute yourself. Mr. Umesh Joshi, Deputy Director, Department of Information Technology and Communications, Government of Rajasthan. for
Thank you,
Project
sir.
Raj Kaushal.
Yeah, thank you, sir. First of all, I would like to thank Scotch Group for awarding this prestigious award. And this Raj Kaushal project is one of the very ambitious project of Honorable Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and it is a integrated master data for all the manpower available in Rajasthan. So it works as a very good initiative for the laborers and migrants to provide them with employment during this COVID pandemic. Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations. Online License Services, Karnataka State Department of Agriculture. Ms. Upaja SM, Joint Director. Mona Patals made of tree leaves, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department from Himachal Pradesh. Mr. Lalit Jain.
Good evening. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Hello, I am audible.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for recognizing our project. I'm representing Mr. Lalit. On behalf of Mr. Lalit, thank you so much for recognizing our Duna Batul project. It's a very good project for the women empowerment as well as for the environment protection. Thank you for recognizing. Thank you so much.
Digitized Transit Pass, District Administration, Purulia.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank Scotch Group for showcasing our little prayers, sir. It's actually the system promotes transparency. The system promotes efficiency, and the most of all, sir, what is important, the most corrupt practices we have nabbed it in the bud, sir. And another important outcome we have achieved, sir, the revenue generation. It increases like anything, sir. Even this year, during the COVID pandemic situation, our total revenue collection increases manifold, sir. And it also promotes sustainability in the mines affected areas, sir. And there we are people can participate in the DMF scheme selection process. So lots of things are there, sir. And many of the district of our state, they are also, sir, following our footsteps only, sir. And thanks to Scotch Award, sir, because a few years back, it was similar projects was showcased by Scotch Award from Rajasthan, and we were inspired by the Rajasthan story, sir. And the entire team of the district administration and the persons, even the affected persons also, they are also, sir, very happy with the new system. The mine owners, the government agencies, and everybody, sir. So I think it will replicate in other districts, sir.
Thank you
Sir,
so
sir,
much.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Umesh Joshi, Deputy Director, Information Technology and Communications Department for
Thank you, sir. I would like to thank Scotch Group for awarding this Raj Sakar project. So, Raj Sakar project is about providing citizen all kind of services related to cooperative department and also enabling the departmental users to perform all kind of activities related to their department like registration, approval, audit, election. So it is an end-to-end solution for the cooperative sector of government of Rajasthan. It take care all the processes of cooperative department along with all the citizen-centric services. Thank you very much, sir.
Mr. Srinivasulu, NKV, Project Director from District Rural Development Agency, Kurnool, for community-led dairy farming. SHG Women's Cotton Mask Stitching Work, Mukhyamantri Jeevan Shakti Yojana, ANULM, Municipal Council, Raghogarh. Mr. Satish Srivastava, City Mission Director, Mission Manager. Congratulations to you and the entire team. Seri Tourism, Department of Sericulture, Tamil Nadu, Dr. Vinay T. Director of Sericulture. Mr. Chandan Mankar, Chief Municipal Officer from Nagar Panchayat, Rajim, Project Godhan Nyay Yojana. So this brings us to the end of the announcement